Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how to clean a K&N Air Filter. And to begin, the first thing we gotta do is remove it from the vehicle. This one in particular is mounted custom, but usually they'll come attached by a clamp, or you just gotta open up the housing and remove the filter. And now I just gotta separate the filter from the intake tube, or the MAF sensor in this case, which is attached by a clamp. And I also gotta remove the sensor which is attached to this filter. And now to clean this air filter, we'll need to purchase this K&N Filter Recharge Kit. It comes with a filter cleaning spray and filter oil. And now to get started cleaning the filter. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, but of course there's always worse. But the dirtier it is, the more air restriction to the filter, so you want to make sure it doesn't get too dirty. We'll start by spraying the air filter cleaner on the filter. This will help loosen up the dirt. After spraying it, you want to give it a good 5 to 10 minutes to soak in. Now we'll want to rinse off the air filter using water. I'm using a water hose and with a steady pour rinsing it off from the inside out. This way it'll push the dirt out of the filter instead of into the filter if you pour the water from the outside in. After rinsing it off, you'll want to shake off as much water as you can. And now we'll want to put it outside in the sun to air dry. And this is why I wash my filter in an old bucket, because all of this dirt and oil comes off with the filter mixed with water. And once it dries from one side, I rotate it around. This is what it looks like after drying out in the sun for about an hour total. It is now completely dry, and you want to be sure it is dry before the next step. For the next step, we'll be adding the filter oil. For this step, you'll want to spray the side that filters out the dirt only. If you have a flat filter, only the side that was dirty, because you don't want your engine to be pulling in the filter oil and it contaminating your MAF sensor. You'll also want to be careful not to over oil it. You'll want to coat the whole filter, but just a light coat is necessary. You don't want to use the whole can. And now I just use a towel to wipe off any excess oil. You'll also want to give the filter 20 minutes to absorb the oil before installing it back onto the car. This is what you'll want your filter to look like. It's not over or under oiled. And now all that's left is installing it back onto the car and testing it out. Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please click that like button to support my video and channel. And please subscribe if you haven't done so.